This math was coming preliminary exam of Bangladesh Bank Edit 2023. I have given a name of this math, the more the less. This math says the profit earned by selling an article for taka 900 is double. The loss incurred when the same article is sold for taka 450. At what price should the article be sold to make 25% profit? I have given a name of this math, the more the less, or the profit the loss. This earned this loss, the more the loss. Let the cost price of this article be X. Then ATQ, according to the question, this 900 minus the profit earned minus X double to multiply, first bracket is start, this X minus the loss incurred same article 450. 900 minus X, 2X multiply 2X minus 2, 450 means 900. Then transposition, this minus opposite side plus this 2x minus opposite side plus 1800 this multiply equal twice x 3x, this 600, calculation or cancelling, x equals 600 taka, this cost price of this article. Next, at what price should the article be sold to make 25% profit? 25% at 25% profit means 600 multiply 125%, because 25% profit 125 divide 100. This value will be 750 taka. This answer. So this answer